Welcome back to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious vegan and vegetarian recipes from around the world. Today we're making green curry, the spiciest of the Thai curries, and it's entirely and easily vegan, without compromising flavor or substance. So let's get started. We'll start by preparing our green curry paste. For ease and convenience, we're going to use the store-bought green curry paste, and enhance it with a few additions to increase the umami flavor and color. Starting with some blanched spinach, along with a spicy green chili, and a little bit of miso paste to increase that umami punch. Next, we'll add in our green curry paste. We get this from a company called Miso. It's vegetarian, which means it doesn't contain any shrimp paste or fish sauce or the like. We'll close the lid and process it to combine. Oh, almost forgot. We'll also add shiitake mushroom powder. Here we have a dried shiitake mushroom that will grate using a microplane. This boosts the umami flavor in the paste. Alright, one more spin. That's it. Our vegan green curry paste is done. Setting it aside, we'll slice up some mushrooms and vegetables, starting with these fresh shiitake mushrooms. First, we'll separate the stem and save it for some veggie stock. Then slice up these mushrooms. This makes about 1 to 2 cups. Have you tried dehydrating these at home? They're relatively expensive, and it's a great way of preserving them. They can be rehydrated and used as needed. Nothing goes to waste in the Berry kitchen. Next, we have some shimeji mushrooms. We'll chop off the woody stem that's holding the bunch together and separate them, and then load them into a strainer to rinse and set aside to dry. Next, we have a winter melon. If you haven't worked with winter melon, we highly recommend it. It has a delicate taste, is healthy, and it helps bulk up the curry. To prepare a winter melon, first we slice off the end. We're only going to need half for this recipe. And then peel it. If you can't find these, feel free to skip it. We'll cut this into spears. And then remove the seeds. Once deseeded, we cut them into bite-sized pieces. The pieces should be roughly the same size so they cook evenly and at the same time. This is about 2 cups. Next, we have a bell pepper. The color really doesn't matter, but since we like our food to be colorful, we're going with a bright orange one. The great thing about this recipe is, once you have the basics down, you can customize it with whatever vegetables you like. What is your favorite Thai curry? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our Thai recipes playlist at the link above. For an additional burst of color and heat, we'll add a long hot red pepper. These are spicier than a red pepper. We'll slice them up diagonally like this. For a bit of green, we'll add some snow peas. They're relatively easy to prepare. We just need to remove the woody ends. We take a few, line them up, and give it a chop. Same for the other side. That's it. Along with this being the spiciest of the curries, it's also very aromatic. A lot of that has to do with fresh basil leaves. We'll need about a cup. In addition to the vegetables and the mushrooms, it's nice to add a little bit of protein. Today, we have the seasoned and pressed tofu. This is usually in the refrigerated tofu section in the Asian grocery store. But if you can't find this, feel free to replace it with a medium, firm, or extra firm option. Avoid the soft and silken variety. They'll just break apart in the curry. These don't usually have to be cooked. You can eat them right out of the packaging. Feel free to cut it as you like it. I prefer these blocks, whereas my wife prefers these slices. To each their own, I guess. That's it for the prep. Let's head to the stove. In a large pot over medium heat, we'll add one 14-ounce can of unsweetened coconut milk and stir it. Then we'll allow it to reduce and cook until the coconut oil separates. This is the only oil we're going to need for this recipe. When ready, it looks something like this. Then we'll add our customized green curry paste. Mix it thoroughly and allow the coconut oil to absorb all that amazing color and flavor. This is going to be the base for our curry, so this step is very important. Once the oil separates again, then we'll add in the second can of coconut milk, along with 2 cups of vegetable stock. And give it a stir so it's thoroughly combined. Then we go in with our enoki and shiitake mushrooms. These will take a little bit of time to cook through. The winter melon, and some bamboo shoots. If you have these, great. If not, feel free to skip them. Along with the pressed tofu. We'll stir everything to combine. To enhance the aromatics of this curry further, we'll add some makrut lime leaves. Before adding them though, we'll gently twist and bruise them so they release all of that beautiful citrusy aroma into the curry, and give everything a stir. That's it. Now we can cover the lid and bring the curry to a boil, and boil for about 5 minutes, or until the winter melon is cooked through. Which we can verify with a knife test. This looks good. Now we're on the home stretch. We'll add the remaining ingredients, starting with a tablespoon of palm sugar. This slight sweetness will help enhance the spicy and savory elements of the curry. Next, the bell pepper, along with the long hot red peppers and snow peas. We only want to cook this for a minute or 2 further, to avoid overcooking the peppers and the snow peas. They should still have a bit of bite to them. At this point, we can check for the seasoning. This is perfect, but if needed, feel free to add a little bit of soy sauce or even vegan fish sauce. Now, we'll turn off the heat, and finally add in our fresh basil leaves. The residual heat is all that's needed to cook these leaves through. That's it. Our vegan green curry is done. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to help support our channel. It really helps. Also, visit us at berryberrylife.com for more great recipe ideas. This curry smells amazing. Is your mouth watering yet? There you have it. Vegan green curry. A taste of Thailand in the comfort of your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!